When Christmas arrives, there's something magical that fills the air. Streets shine brighter, homes feel warmer, and even the simplest corners seem to come alive with joy. Decorating your home for Christmas is much more than just hanging ornaments or placing a tree in the living room. It's about creating an atmosphere that celebrates love, peace, and connection. The importance of Christmas decoration goes far beyond aesthetics. It has emotional, psychological, and even social benefits that truly transform the way we experience the holidays. One of the most beautiful things about decorating for Christmas is how it changes the energy of your home. When you add lights, garlands, candles, or a beautiful Christmas tree, your environment immediately feels more welcoming. The soft glow of Christmas lights creates warmth that brings people together, while festive colors like red, gold, and green add a sense of excitement and comfort. This change in atmosphere helps lift everyone's mood. It's almost impossible not to smile when you see your living room sparkling with Christmas joy. The process of decorating also brings families and friends closer. It becomes a tradition that everyone looks forward to, a moment of teamwork, laughter, and nostalgia. Whether you're untangling lights, choosing ornaments, or placing the star on top of the tree, every part of the process builds memories. Many people associate the scent of pine, cinnamon, or freshly baked cookies with Christmas, and decorating helps recreate those familiar and heartwarming sensations that remind us of home and happy times. Decorating also has psychological benefits. Studies have shown that Christmas decorations can boost happiness levels because they trigger feelings of excitement and anticipation. The festive colors and lights stimulate the senses and evoke positive emotions linked to past experiences. For many people, decorating early for Christmas even helps reduce stress and anxiety, as it brings a sense of comfort and nostalgia. In other words, decorating isn't just about making your home look nice. It's about making yourself feel better emotionally. There's also a strong social aspect to Christmas decoration. A well-decorated home becomes a welcoming place for guests. When friends or relatives visit during the holidays, they immediately feel the warmth and love that your decorations communicate. The environment encourages connection and conversation, helping to strengthen relationships. Even from the outside, Christmas decorations spread joy. Passers-by who see a beautifully lit home often feel uplifted by the festive spirit it radiates. In that way, decorating your home can actually inspire and spread happiness to others. Another advantage is the creativity that Christmas decoration allows. It's your chance to express your personality and style through colors, textures, and arrangements. Maybe you love the traditional red and gold look, or perhaps you prefer something modern with silver, white, and blue tones. Some people love rustic wooden accents and natural greenery, while others go for a more luxurious and sparkling aesthetic. Whatever your style is, Christmas decoration gives you complete freedom to let your imagination shine and turn your home into your own festive masterpiece. Decorating can also help bring balance and mindfulness to your life. Taking time to carefully choose ornaments, place them thoughtfully, and arrange lights can be surprisingly therapeutic. It gives you a sense of accomplishment and control, especially at the end of a busy year. It reminds you to slow down, appreciate small details, and be present in the moment. Even something as simple as lighting a candle or hanging a wreath on the door can feel like an act of self-care during a hectic season. The Christmas tree, of course, is the centerpiece of decoration. Choose one that fits your space and style, and make sure it tells a story. Mix different types of ornaments, shiny, matte, and textured ones, to add depth. Include elements with personal meaning, like handcrafted ornaments or family photos, to make it unique. A tree skirt and some wrapped gift boxes underneath can complete the look beautifully. Another suggestion is to involve everyone in the decorating process. Let children help with the tree, allow each family member to choose an ornament, or make it a tradition to add one new decoration every year. This gives your Christmas decor sentimental value and makes it more meaningful with time. And that's really the heart of what Christmas decoration is all about: creating moments that fill our homes and hearts with joy. It's not about spending a fortune or following strict design rules. It's about capturing the essence of the season and letting that spirit shine through every corner. The beauty of decorating for Christmas is that it allows you to slow down and appreciate life's simple pleasures, something that often gets lost in the rush of everyday life. Imagine this: soft lights twinkling on your tree, the scent of cinnamon in the air, a cozy blanket on the couch, and your favorite Christmas music playing softly in the background. Those small, intentional touches transform your home into a sanctuary of peace and happiness. And when guests walk in and feel that warmth, they feel welcome, comfortable, and loved. That's the real power of decoration. It communicates feelings without words. Another beautiful aspect is how decorations can reflect personal traditions. Maybe you grew up with handmade ornaments or certain colors that remind you of childhood Christmases. Incorporating those little details keeps memories alive. You can even blend them with modern elements to create a balance between nostalgia and elegance. For example, a vintage angel ornament on a minimalist tree or a classic red bow added to a sleek metallic garland connects past and present beautifully. If you're decorating on a budget, remember that creativity is your best tool. You don't need to buy expensive pieces. Sometimes the most charming decorations come from nature or simple DIY projects. Pine cones, dried oranges, branches, and ribbons can become stunning decorations with a little imagination. You can also repurpose old ornaments with paint or glitter to give them new life. The process itself becomes fun, and when you look around and realize you created it all with your own hands, the satisfaction is priceless. For those who enjoy a sense of luxury, metallic accents like gold, silver, or champagne tones can add sophistication to your Christmas decor. Combine them with soft neutrals like cream or ivory to keep the look elegant. You can also play with textures. A mix of shiny ornaments, velvet ribbons, and matte finishes creates visual depth and richness. But even with luxury styles, warmth and balance are key. Christmas is about elegance mixed with heart, not perfection. As you decorate, think about how each space in your home can contribute to the overall feeling. The living room might be your main festive zone, but adding smaller touches in other rooms keeps the spirit flowing throughout the house. A candle and a mini tree in the bedroom, a wreath in the hallway, or fairy lights around a mirror can make a big difference. Even the bathroom can have subtle hints of Christmas with towels or small ornaments that make the space feel part of the celebration. When everything comes together, the lights, the music, the scent, the colors, your home becomes more than just a decorated space. It becomes a reflection of joy, gratitude, and love. And that's why Christmas decoration is so important. It helps us reconnect with what truly matters. It reminds us that beauty can be found in simple things: a glowing candle, a handmade ornament, or the laughter of family while decorating together. There's also something inspiring about how Christmas decor unites people across different places and cultures. No matter where you are, everyone decorates in their own way to celebrate hope and light. It's a universal language of happiness. When you decorate your home, you're joining millions of others around the world doing the same, all sharing one big moment of warmth and joy. Finally, remember that the true beauty of Christmas decoration doesn't lie in perfection, but in the feeling it creates. It's about joy, comfort, and togetherness. Whether your home is large or small, full of luxury decor or simple handmade items, what matters most is the love and happiness that fill the space. The lights, colors, and ornaments are just reflections of the spirit of Christmas, a spirit that reminds us to share, to give, and to cherish what truly matters. So this holiday season, take time to decorate not only your home but also your heart. Let every light you hang remind you of hope, every ornament symbolize gratitude, and every wreath reflect unity. Because when you decorate with love, you don't just transform your space. You transform the way you experience Christmas itself.